everyone, this is Julie from Main Street USA Studios. We've got all the Disneyland news for you coming up next. For this week, Pixar Putt is here. Celebrate Gospel and Black History Month events. Red Car Trolley's permanent closure. Flooding at Madame Leota's gift shop. New Laughing Lava mug release. Construction updates, and more. If you love Pixar and enjoy miniature golf, get ready for some exciting news. Pixar Putt is coming to Pixar Place Hotel at the Disneyland Resort for a limited time run. This pop-up mini golf experience has already been a hit in Washington, D.C. at the D23 Expo and also in Long Beach. Tickets are on sale now at pixarputt.com. You'll need to book a tee time in advance. The current calendar runs through early June, but since this is a temporary experience, the exact end date is unknown. Ticket prices range from $28 to $33 with higher prices on weekends. However, hotel guests and Magic Key holders can purchase tickets at a discounted rate of $25 per person. Check out this fun Pixar-themed experience before it's gone. And get ready to celebrate Gospel and Black History Month at Disneyland this February. The Celebrate Gospel returns today, February 8th, and also on February 15th, next Saturday. The concerts take place at the Fantasyland Theater in Disneyland and feature Grammy-nominated gospel artists as well as community choirs from Southern California. Over in DCA and Hollywoodland, you can check out the contributions of Floyd Norman, the first Black animator at Walt Disney Animation Studios. Norman helped bring films like The Jungle Book and Sleeping Beauty to life, among others. Celebrate Soulfully also brings live music and cultural celebrations to Downtown Disney and the Disneyland hotels. Throughout February, Downtown Disney will feature nightly performances of R&B, hip-hop, jazz, and Motown on the Downtown Disney Live stage. Every Saturday evening, Jazz Kitchen Coastal Grill and Patio will host live Black History Month performances. And then at the Disneyland Hotel, the Broken Spell Lounge will showcase Celebrate Soulfully artists on weekends and jazz duos on weekdays. And then the lobby will host Sequin Dream, an a cappella group, on Fridays and Saturdays. Pixar Place Hotel will once again have jazz performances inspired by the movie Soul with Joe Gardner-style piano sessions in the afternoons and evenings. Next up, this Thursday, February 13th on Mobile Order and Friday, February 14th at Trader Sam's Enchanted Tiki Bar, this new Laughing Lava mug will be available. Mobile orders on the 13th can be placed from the Disneyland app and picked up at the Adventure Lawn. This is that wedding gazebo area of the Disneyland Hotel. If you do pick up on the 13th, the mug designer Derek Yaniger will be signing from 10 to 10:45 and also from 12:15 to 1:45. And DCA's Red Car Trolley is permanently closing tomorrow, February 9th, Super Bowl Sunday, to make way for the Avengers Campus expansion. Recall that Avengers Campus is getting two new rides, Avengers Infinity Defense and Stark Flight Lab, and the footprint of this expansion made it necessary to close the Red Car Trolley. Recall that the Red Car Trolley tracks continue into Avengers Campus in front of Mission Breakout. It's unclear if the tracks themselves will be removed, but the trolley will definitely not be going anymore. It's not official, but the rumor is that the Red Car Trolley may stick around as a stationary focal point, but just not move. The Red Car Trolley opened in 2012 on Buena Vista Street, and when DCA revamped this area to base it on Los Angeles during the 1920s, when Walt Disney had first arrived to start its animation studio. It's specifically inspired by the Atwater Village and Silver Lake neighborhoods, and the trolley was based on classic Pacific electric trolleys. The Red Car Trolley was never a packed ride with long lines, but it was definitely a part of the Buena Vista Street vibe, and we'll miss seeing it ride by. Next up, rain causes flooding at Disneyland's Madame Leota gift shop. Last week's first big rainfall in California in months took Disneyland a little bit by surprise, sending water straight into Madame Leota's Somewhere Beyond, the new Haunted Mansion gift shop. Rain flowed downhill from that bridge that goes to Tiana's Bayou Adventure and went right through the shop's carriage house doors. Cast members shut the shop and stacked sandbags to keep the water out. And now to fix the issue before the next storm, Disneyland is reworking the drainage near the shop starting February 3rd. This will all take about a month, but don't worry, the store will stay open with access through the Haunted Mansion exit doors, although some of the exterior props will be temporarily removed. Enclosure and construction updates starting in Disneyland. The Disneyland Railroad and monorail are both currently unavailable but are set to reopen on March 7th. Jolly Holiday Bakery Cafe remains closed with no reopening date announced yet. It's a Small World remains closed as well. And Meet Tinkerbell and Pixie Hollow finally has a reopening date. It opens March 20th. We don't know what the changes will look like yet, but we expect Disney will share some details soon based on the months-long closure. It's been since September, so 6 months plus. And Great Moments with Mr. Lincoln and the Disney Gallery remain closed. Over in DCA, Grizzly River Run will reopen March 14th. Redwood Creek Challenge Trail has fallen off the refurb calendar this week, so looks like it may not close. Guardians of the Galaxy Mission Breakout closes March 10th, reopening March 21st.
Thanks so much for watching, everyone. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more.